Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you complete review and swatches of the ModelOnes lipstick pink gel polish kit. So I'm gonna share with you a complete review. It's gonna be a honest review, so let's get into the video. So the gel polish comes in this beautiful leather pouch, and this is actually perfect to carry out your things. Like if you even go to the holidays, you can carry this one easily. And it's got the ModelOnes logo on the top, and it's come with the zip, and you can easily open it using that's it. Come with the double one, so if you want to, you can also secure with the lock. And let me show you what's inside, because I had a little sneak peek, and I actually showed that you're gonna love that, because that's actually good. So let me show you what's inside one by one. So the first thing that you get is this ModelOnes Cuticle Oil. So you know that you make your nail last longer. To strengthen, you need to oil them, so the cuticle oil is actually really important. So this one is like a pen cuticle oil, so you're just gonna put up there, and you're gonna see, like I just applied on my gloves, so you can see it easily. And it doesn't smell. Like there are some cuticle oils that really smell so bad, but this one doesn't smell at all. And if you wanna put the oil towards the bar, you're gonna use that, and you're gonna turn it, and once you turn it, it's just gonna come down. The next thing that you get is this ModelOnes mini lamp. It's a 6-watt lamp, and it's perfect. Like, believe me, it's perfect to carry on holidays, because on holiday you can't carry that huge nail lamps, but you can easily carry this one. And it comes in different colors, and the one that you get within this one is obviously pink one, because it's a pink gel polish kit. And power supply, it uses this USB cable. You're just gonna plug into your charger, and then you're gonna charge it. It's come with the nail lamp, it's come with the nail lamp. Then you got a manual, you can call it, with all the details, how you're gonna use it, all that kind of stuff, and some of the precaution that you need to take in. It's come wrapped in this polythene, and it's actually pretty cute. Like, it's teeny tiny, perfect for holidays, and I really love that. It costs 6 LED lamps underneath, and it's actually teeny tiny, so you're just gonna use it. You're gonna open the stand, and then you're gonna put your nail underneath. And I will be using this lamp to swatch all these things, so I'm gonna use this one to curate. It got all the button there, and then the power supply socket over there where you're gonna plug in the cable. Then you get this mini file to shape your nails, because it's actually full kit. So if you have that, you don't need anything else. Then you get this nail tool. It's a 2-in-1, so it's got the cuticle pusher on one side, and on the other side you got the thingy. It's a tool to remove the dead skin from your natural nail once you push back your cuticles, and you're gonna use that one to push back. Then you got this brush, which you use to usually remove the dust from your nail. Like once you buff them or file them, you're gonna use that one to remove the dust. Then you got this one teeny tiny cutie nail buffer, and it's actually pretty good. Like, it's gonna remain for long. Like, don't worry, that one's good quality. Then you get some stickers. So you get, I think, 4 in total. Yeah, you get 4 in total, 2 black one and 2 clear one. So the first one are these butterflies with some glitters, and I definitely gonna create some nails art with this one, so stay tuned with that. Then you get these little hearts again with glitters. Then you get these bigger sheets which contain some golden nails. It got different lines, ovals, squares. Then this one got the triangles, stars, all of that. And then I love that stripe thing. And then you get this teeny little manual, you can call it, with all the props that you get in, how you're gonna prep your nail, because the prep is the key. If you don't gonna prep your nail in the right way, it's just gonna remove it. Then you got a little bit of question answer series, and make sure that you prep your nails correctly. And these are the gel polishes that you get. They are 8 in total, and they contain base coat and top coat, which means if you're beginner, it's just perfect for you. Like, if you're beginner, you actually need a base coat, top coat to seal your nails and to use it properly. Because if you don't use a base coat, there is a risk that they don't gonna last for long, or they gonna just peel off from your nail. So you actually need a base coat. And these are the different shades, and I really love that red one. And the other thing that I love is that they are matte. Like, I love matte effect. I love that they are really tiny, so easy to carry. You can even carry them in your bag, because they're actually small and they don't gonna occupy that much space. and they're actually good. And the colors, another thing that I like is that they show the colors on the bottle, which means if you're gonna store them in a drawer, you're gonna easily see the color. You don't need to open them all and do all the kind of stuff. So I'm gonna use the swatch stick to swatch them, and one thing that I noticed is that they're actually really liquid. Like there are some gel polish that are really dense. I don't like that, and you can see that this one is really liquid. I love that because time with the dense one you can put a higher amount of product, and that's actually not good because that's not gonna cure and the gel gonna remain uncured, as the base is the key to have a perfect mani. Like if you don't have a good base, your gel don't gonna last for long. So I'm gonna use the lamp provided. So here, if you press it once, it's just gonna turn on for 45 seconds, and if you keep it pressed for about 2 seconds, it's just gonna turn on for 60 seconds. So I'm gonna use this one to cure all of them. So the first shade that I will be swatching is this one, shade number 12. It's a beautiful creamy color, and it actually gives a pretty good coverage in just one coat. Like with lighter color, it's really hard to give coverage in just one coat, but obviously you're gonna go for the second coat to have the best color. But even in the first one, it's actually pretty good. Like I love the density, I love the color, I love the shade. I actually love the shade. So you're gonna see me soon doing some nail arts with these, and I'm gonna cure this one again using the same lamp, and I will be repeating the same process with other colors. So this one is shade number 09. It's a kind of salmon color, or I don't know how you call this color. I think it's a salmon. Like it's a salmon color, and again this one gives you full coverage in just one coat. The next one is shade number 11. It's a slightly darker than the previous one. It's kind of camel color or dark creamy, and this one you definitely need to go for the second coat because you don't see the best color in the first coat for this one, but in the second one you're just gonna see it better. So the third one is this one. The fourth one is shade number 10, and it's a pink color, like nude pink, because obviously it's a pink series, so there need to be a pink color in there. So it's a nude pink, and again the brush size is actually pretty good. I like the thing that it's pretty long, and the brush size, it's actually medium size, so it's not too big or too small. It's just right, the size that you need. And even the length of the brush is actually good, because sometimes there are some nail polish that have like really small nail brush size, and that's actually not comfortable. So these are actually comfortable to apply. So the next shade is this one, 08, and it's a red color, red or burgundy color. And for this one you definitely need to go for the second coat, but if you like to have some kind of jelly effect, you can just go the first coat and you're gonna have a beautiful jelly effect. But if you want to actually see the rich red color, you need to go for the second coat. And then the last color is this one. It's look like a black, but it's a purple, and it's shade number 07. It's actually dark purple, and in the first coat you're obviously gonna get that jelly color. You don't gonna get the whole purple color in just one coat, but you need to go for the second one. And in the first one you're just gonna get that kind of color, that kind of jelly color. And again, I'm using the ModelOnes lamp to cure them, so it's just gonna take me about 2 minutes to be sure, or 60 seconds. And then once they cure, I will go for the second coat. And once I'm done, I'm gonna use the top coat provided by the kit. So I'm just using that one to make them glossy, because that's the top coat that comes in. And again, this one is liquid, like the base coat. It was like actually really liquid, and even this one is actually liquid, and I like that. And another thing that I noticed is that it's not sticky, which means you don't need to remove the sticky layer. And once I'm done, I also applied the matte top coat at half of the nail, and with that you can actually see that the matte nail actually matches with the actual color of the bottle. So which means the color that you're gonna see on the bottle is the exactly same color that you're gonna get inside. Like there are some companies that show some other colors and inside there is another one, but here it's not like that. Like you can actually see it. I'm not even lying. You can see that the color perfectly matches with the bottle. That's actually really good. And some of the gel polish give you more transparency in the liquid one, but they are not that transparent. If you put the matte top coat, like the purple one, you can see it that they are not like that. So these are all the shades that you get in this kit. If you want to gift it to someone, I would say that this is the perfect gift. Like if you want to give it to your girlfriend, mother, sister, you can give it, because the colors are actually good. And even the kit contains everything that you need. It contains the lamp, the gel polishes, the prep kit, everything that you need. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it, and I will see you very soon. Bye.